Hi, friends! Today we are visiting a cozy little bakery. Let's learn English together. I open the door. I open the door. The bakery is warm. The bakery is warm. I am smelling the fresh bread. I am smelling the fresh bread. I grab a tray. I grab a tray. I am picking up the tongs. I am picking up the tongs. I am walking toward the shelves. I am walking toward the shelves. I am looking at the croissants on the shelf. I am looking at the croissants on the shelf. I am placing a croissant on my tray. I am placing a croissant on my tray. I am comparing the two baguettes carefully. I am comparing the two baguettes carefully. I decide to take the longer baguette. I decide to take the longer baguette. I am moving to the bagel counter. I am moving to the bagel counter. I am adding a sesame bagel to my tray. I am adding a sesame bagel to my tray. I noticed the strawberry tart. I noticed the strawberry tart. These are my favorite tarts. These are my favorite tarts. I am lifting the tart onto my tray. I am lifting the tart onto my tray. This is a cute cookie jar. This is a cute cookie jar. I am choosing a chocolate cookie. I am choosing a chocolate cookie. The oven is beeping softly. The oven is beeping softly. I am organizing my tray neatly. I am organizing my tray neatly. I am putting my tray on the counter. I am putting my tray on the counter. I am handing my card to the clerk. I am handing my card to the clerk. The card reader is chirping quickly. The card reader is chirping quickly. I am arranging the bread efficiently. I am arranging the bread efficiently. I am carrying the paper bag in my arm. I am carrying the paper bag in my arm. I push the door open. I push the door open. I am so happy with my bakery treats. I am so happy with my bakery treats. Great job today. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.